In this video, I will show you how to install Google Analytics on WordPress website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to set up Google Analytics on your WordPress. First of all, go to your WordPress website, admin dashboard, and then hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. And in the search plugins, type here Sitekit and search for it. So now we have to install and activate Google Sitekit. So click on install and activate the plugin. Once the Sitekit activated, here click on start setup. Now check this box, connect Google Analytics as part of your setup, and now just click on sign in with Google. And here you have to choose the Google account, in which Google account you created your Google Analytics account. So I'm selecting my account here, and here click on continue and select all and click on continue, and have Google verify site ownership. Just click on verify. Turn on metrics in your dashboard, click on allow. Set up search console, click on setup. And lastly, set up Google Analytics, click on next. Now select the account information below. So click on this account drop down and select your Google Analytics account or property. If you don't have any, you can click on set up a new account and you will be able to easily create a new account from here. So I'm selecting my account and selecting my property here. Click on web data stream, and here you can select as existing web data stream, or you can create a new data stream from here. And enable enhanced measurement and just click on complete setup and click on proceed. Again, choose your Google account, continue and continue. And as you can see, I've successfully installed Google Analytics on my WordPress website. And now, if you don't see any data here, don't worry, because it may take some hours to get analytics data here. Now, to see your Google Analytics data from your WordPress admin dashboard, in this left-hand menu, just click on Sitekit, and then you will directly jump into Google Analytics dashboard here. And here you will be able to easily check your channels, location, devices, all visitors, and total clicks, total impressions for your WordPress website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.